Hello everybody, I've recently gotten a comment under my video asking why is it that certain words and phrases are harder to sing in your higher range than other words and phrases. And it got me thinking like, this is such an important topic. Vowels and consonants are really something that has to be talked about because really vowels are pretty much like 95% of singing, and consonants are something that you have to deal with and something that you have to know how to do correctly as well. So we're going to talk about it today. Now, why is it that some phrases can be hard for you, especially if they have consonants like B, G, D in them? You don't want to bear down too much on those consonants. You want to kind of omit them and make them a little bit less closed down so that they don't close down your throat too much. So if you're doing something like ba 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 ba, what I'm not doing is I'm not going to ba 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 and really making it hard on myself with the B. I'm kind of softening the consonant a little bit. Ba 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 ba, so that it doesn't make me lose the openness that I need up top. Same for the G, for example. Go 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 go. Go 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 go. You don't want to go too hard on the G. Go 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 go. Really, that's unnecessary. Go 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 go. Go 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 go. That's enough. The G itself, keep your. That's enough. You really don't need to bear down on the consonant too much, and that is something worth remembering. And then when you're singing songs, this can really help you because you're not going to close down all the vocal tract every time that you hit those consonants. So that's something to really keep in mind, that the consonants need to be a little bit softened up top. And then when it comes to vowels, well, vowels need to be embraced. Vowels are basically like 95% of your singing, maybe even more than that. So what we want is we want to master the vowels. And the way we do it in our high notes is we need to learn how to modify them slightly so that they can sound really resonant, bright, and powerful up top, because we simply cannot sing the same vowels that we sing low where we talk. We can't just take the same vowels up top because they will not work for us. They will become problematic. Really, when we're down low here, you can do whatever you want with the vowel, and you can splat it. You can make it, as wide as possible. And nothing happens. It's not going to break or anything. When you're going high, you need to modify the vowel slightly so that it's like ha. I've already modified it. Ha. I've already modified the vowel up top there, going from like a ah into an ah. Ah, it's like kind of like you're placing a dome over the vowel from the top. Ha. You really need to make this modification to the vowel if you want it to actually sound full up top, because otherwise you might not even be able to go through your bridge. And if you go through your bridge with that vowel, it's simply going to sound really wimpy and just, not resonant, not full. It doesn't sound good. So you want to go put like a you want to put like a behind the vowel. To make it easier for you and to make it just sound better. And it works like that for basically every vowel other than E and U. So if you're like on an F, for example, I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing the and then placing an kind of behind the vowel. You might be able to hear it, it still sounds like an it still sounds like an but I'm putting a little bit of an behind it. To make it full up top and to make it more resonant. Same goes for like an oh. You need to close the vowel down a little bit. It's really important to not splat it. That's not the way to do it, and you shouldn't be doing that. Especially if you're going to sing a phrase up top, it's going to fall apart if you do something like that. And then we've got E and U. Now these are very interesting. They can be really hard to master, and not even to master, to even get through your bridge with them and make it work. What I would recommend when it comes to trying to get these notes to sound right and to get them through your bridge up to the high notes is really leaning into your head voice and really first simply getting them through and then trying to figure out how can I make them full. And you want to modify the vowel as well, but you want to actually open it up a little bit. E, E, that's a very closed E that I can sing without a problem in my chest voice. E. If I go higher, I've already I'm already opening it up a little bit. You want to find some space for those vowels to live in. I'm dropping my jaw slightly. And really the space there where the vowel lives, needs to expand a little bit. The place there in the back where the vowels live, these closed vowels, E and U, they're kind of in the back there. It's like placing a ball there, kind of in the back.